It's raining outside. You're inside. Blanket around you, tea in your hands, maybe a book nearby. The rain taps on the window. Soft, steady, safe. You feel something. A warmth, a peace, a quiet joy. Most people don't know this feeling has a name, but it does. There's a word for that feeling. Chrysalism. Chrysalism is the comfort of being inside while the world is loud outside. Not fear of the storm, not hiding. It's cozy separation. The rain can do whatever it wants. You are here. Warm, dry, safe. Chrysalism is the blanket between you and the weather. Say it with me. Chrysalism. Liz. One more time. Chrysalism. Now hold that word in your mind. Every time it rains, you'll remember, you're not just inside. You're experiencing chrysalism. But the rain doesn't last forever. It slows. It stops. And something else happens. You step outside. The ground is wet. The air is fresh, cool on your skin. And there's a smell. Earthy, sweet, alive, like the earth is breathing again. Most people don't know this smell has a name, but it does. Petrichor. Petrichor is the smell after rain on dry earth. Not wet mud, not the rain itself. It's the oil from plants, the soil releasing its breath, the earth waking up. Say it with me. Petrichor. Petrichor. One more time. Petrichor. Now, every time you step outside after rain, you'll know. That smell has a name. Petrichor. 2 words. 1 moment. Chrysalism. The comfort inside. Petrichor. The gift outside. Let's say them together. Chrysalism. Petrichor. One more time. Chrysalism. Petrichor. Beautiful. Next time it rains, you'll have 2 new words. Chrysalism for the cozy inside. Petrichor for the fresh outside. Which one is your favorite? The comfort or the smell? Comment below. Subscribe for more words you'll never forget. Until next time, keep listening. Keep feeling.